Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Alan Gadgets. A lot of questions has been going around the strict Beijing drone law. Starting from this year, May the 1st, there are always more questions than answers on what is really going on. One of our viewer, Mark Bond, has shared with me very valuable and useful information on what is going on and his personal experience on what are we going to expect bringing our drone into China or Beijing in particular. Ever since I've done a video on how to register your drone in China, many things has evolved and changed, and there's a video on the update of the drone law and accessibility to the website in China. Now you need the VPN to even access for registration from outside of China, besides having to have a China registered mobile phone. And I just have to emphasize, after hearing some feedback from viewers saying that they are holding China's registered number, roaming outside of China, still unable to access to the website. I just want to clarify that no matter what number you're using, even if you're having a China registered number roaming outside of China, so let's say you're in Singapore roaming a number from China, the Singapore ISP providing you with the IP to roam back to China. So as long as the IP is not from China, Macau or Hong Kong, you will be blocked. The bottom line is you need the VPN as long as you're outside China, Hong Kong and Macau. Okay, quick pause. If you're enjoying this breakdown and it's helping you out, go ahead and smash the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want to see more drones, camera and gadget content just like this, make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a new upload. I also post extra clips, behind the scenes shots and some extra updates on Instagram, so do make sure you follow me there as well. Alright, let's jump right back in. So let's go through the experience that Mark Bond was kind enough to share with us, and let's see how we can apply to your visit to China. According to Mark, as long as you touch down in Beijing International Airport from overseas, these are the few scenarios that you will be faced with. So number one, if you're already registered with the CAAS for your drone, you may continue with your drone past the custom. And if your drone is not registered with the CAAC, there are two things that could happen to your drone. Number one, if you are not visiting any other parts of China, they will be holding on to your drone in a secure locker and you'll be able to retrieve it from the same airport upon departure. If you are visiting outside of Beijing, after your touchdown, they are able to provide free delivery to your next destination outside of Beijing, either a hotel or a home. On the flip side, if you're entering Beijing from other part of China via internal transportation, it can be land transport or internal flight, you have to have the drone registered before you enter Beijing from the other parts of China. If you fail to do that, you'll be facing huge fines and detention, so please register your drone if you're in already other part of China before entering Beijing. So that's all I have for you today to the situation of drone ban in Beijing, and thanks again to Mark Bond for providing us with such useful and valuable information. And if you like all things drone, cameras and gadgets, do click on the like button and share. If you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel and ring on the bell button for future notification. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!